spice this and spice that when not no go saw. Not no go saw. But at the end of the day, I just want to say, let me say, wish them all the best, and maybe I hope and pray.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Alright, Unstoppable family, remember me always tell you say this year, name dancehall soap opera. It's like a whole soap opera series when it comes to dancehall and mix up and drama. Yeah, at that go on. It start and you get a whole series. Especially when it comes to Spice name, you know. When Spice name call up in a something, it just start a whole series and it start here so until Spice decides, yeah, hear me? Me done. Anyway, what we are talking about? Well, remember say we drop a video earlier where Spice addressed the whole Shensia and our manager and all of them thing there, right? Well people, Dr. Love have fame, you feel little sense where you want to add to the whole thing. Dr. Love say, yo, them appear for views for try and cramp Spice or try for, you know, kind of match up to Spice. So Dr. Love say, yo, here what, this is how it's done. If Spice get 1 million views in an hour, then the other person manager appear to get 1 million views in an hour. If Spice get 10 million, the other person manager I say, yo, yeah, hear me, you have to go get 10 million too. Is what Dr. Lover say. Now people, Dr. Lover say, yo, him get it from the source. Dr. Lover say, yo, when him talk, him know why him talk say. And people, they're gonna hear what Dr. Lover say about that one here, cause boy, me don't know. Why is it that Spice name can't stay out a mix up though? That is my question, you know. That is my question, but I one answer me I go give. You ever stone green mango? No. Only when it ripe, you try to lick it on off a tree though. You ever see a dog a bark off a car park? No. Wanna get the gist, right? Make we hear what Dr. Lover says.
You can't compare her to Spice and say, boy, Spice black and Spice this and whatever it is and rate it and all of that and she could just go on because love and hip hop are gonna come for. I don't think the rubbish tell people all of this me I tell you now. It a come from the sources. Everything about the bus out. Hold on there. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on there. The thing, people, as me I say, the thing about the bus out. But here we are going and Ramesh, I hold it as much as possible. But here what happen? Ramesh, we are do a wrong thing, brother, because at the end of the day, you're going to embrace at the end of the day. Because you cannot size up. You cannot size up Sensia to Spice. And you cannot class Spice. And you cannot try to spend all that money and try to go up against Spice. Because guess what happened? Spice naturally has the talent. And why would you always have to jar the girl nothing on top of the girl black and the girl this and all that and so forth? The girl have her natural talent and guess what happened? Yes, naturality is the key and so forth. Not saying that Sensia don't have her natural color, you know. But at the end of the day, she feel like she can use a little uptown color and come in a dance hall and well, look at Aishana. Remember say Aishana, you know. Brown and pretty and cute, you know. Right? But listen the thing now. The problem with Aishana really not reach certain levels because Aishana have an attitude. And Aishana unruly. But at the end of the day and so forth, you are going. What the Ramesh tell Sensei say, you are going. You see like how Spice and Shaggy drop the song and Sean Paul. Right? Here we are going to do you now. We are going to show the people the real deal. So here we are going to do you now. No worry yourself, man. We are going to do the promotion. So we are going to drop our money and so forth. So Ramesh just bam link up one and two people and say, you are going. And this I think. So the man them say, yo, you are going. 700 US and we get 1 million views, you know. Ramesh say, eh? So Ramesh do the math and say 700 US 1 million views. Alright, you are going. So the people them say, the youth say, yo, you are going, Ramesh. 9 days time. Right? 9 days time. We are going to show the public where I go on. Because we are show them say, yo, at the end of the day, right? We are going to make the public them, we are trying to prove to the public and say, yo, Spice have bad mind and Spice don't really want to work with you because we link Spice to work with you. And Spice go on the thing. But I know say Spice don't want to work with them, say, you know. Spice realize say, yo, it's a using thing and it's a bad mind thing. So Spice say, yo, you are going. Me don't need to do that because me have to carry my own load. Right? Me have to carry my own load and whatever it is and so forth. And me get to a level where me have to maintain the thing. So choose Spice to now decide say, yo, me not work with Sensia. Me not do certain thing. Rami say, alright, you are going to know. Since Spice go like say she better than you and feel like she don't want to work, you are going. We are going to go 2-2 with her. If she got 10 million views, if she got 1 million views, we are going to go 1 million views in a one day. If she got 2 million, we are going to go 2 million. So you are going. We are going to see who have the money first and who. But here the difference with Spice I know. Spice naturally get the views they know because with Shaggy and Sean Paul, you know, so Sean Paul have in own fans, Shaggy have in own fans, and Spice have in own fans. So that is automatically, so you're going after a big international artist like Shaggy and a big international artist like Sean Paul. So Sean Paul use Fame platform and Fame PR, and then Spice has the same thing, and then Shaggy has the same thing. So automatically they know Spice gets it. Boom, they know. Spice get 2 million views. Ramisha E, you are going. And so she said, bam, $700 again. Right? Alright, Spice hit 3 million. Ramisha E, 3 million. Oh, so you go hard, boom. Bam, another $700 again. So then again, Ramesh look again and say blood clot. Spice got 4 million. Bam, 700 US again. In sit down and say, Shensi, I say, yo, what go on here so? Ramesh, yo, we are go hard and done. We are going to see who can go 10 million views in a 9 days. So Ramesh just, yo, bam, 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 jump up a $700 and so forth. Here I know. The views them were Ramesh buy for the 700 US a piece. 700 for 1 million views, people. You are happy now. They are not authentic. It's this thing where the computer generate between the internet and Spotify and iTunes, the man them behind the scene. So it's like say, alright, you'd have a youth like Dr. Love now, and me and Suki Phillips are a friend. And Suki in a Sony record, you know, for example, Mr. Suki, you are going. We can make some money on the side, you know? So you are going now. We're going to charge some money. How much we that charge them to make them thing rich, make them thing look good? Because where Ramesh look upon the outside of the image, right? Right? They're well upon the image, we see the beauty, right? So here we're going to work with the beauty, and later on we will deal with what the reality it is. See? So Ramesh just start dash out the money and so forth. Ramesh says a blood clot. But wait a minute. 10 million views, but blood clot, we don't really get no bookings. So what Ramesh do, Ramesh say, alright, you are going to send you know. We're going to do a thing, you know. Every promoter call, we're going to just run for your little money. And you see little money we are running now. We are going to make it look good because we are going to put flyers all over like say, your profile may get a big money, but you are going, mama, just work with that thing the same way. Right? So you are going to know. One time Sensei see 10 million views and she not get no bookings and Spice still up the same way like a key man a spark. Sensei link Ramesh and I said to Ramesh, say, yo, yes my friend, it is people, one thing I'll tell you now. Let me tell you this, Ramesh them kill the business and kill Sensei them little bit of talent they have. It is illegal. It is illegal to buy billboard. It is illegal to buy views. It is illegal to rig the music industry. It is illegal. When you buy the views and things like that, everything is a backdoor deal. That's why, right? Because you are going, well, Ramesh do the no. Ramesh want Sensei to enter the billboard at a number. But Ramesh don't want to pay the big money for the billboard because guess what happened? If he pay the big money for the billboard, then no. He must have to pay the money the regular for try to bring her up to the level where he need her. And guess what? So Ramesh decides, so you are going. We will see if we can go buy the views them and see if we can get the internet and everybody talking. If the internet and everybody talking, everybody promote it and all of that, then guess what? You can enter the billboard and then when you reach a certain number, we just have to just keep the mementos going or whatever it is for the net. And then after that and so forth, then we will dash our money and so forth. But you are going. Me not feel like someone want to spend 15,000 US on the billboard right now. No. Me not want to do that. Because I work for money, you know. Because if me spend 15,000 on the billboard, you know, in order to get you up a certain number, you know, every time, you know, 15 grand, you know, 15 grand, 15 grand, 15 grand straight up, you know. Because, let me tell you, you know, you have number one. Yeah, the lower the number is, the number they need. So if you need to go at one on the billboard, if you need to go at two, you are going to know. The backdoor deal. So if Sean Paul and Shaggy and Spice, they are number one. It's hard to put Sensia #1 on the billboard because here's the problem now. In order to put Sensia on #1 on the billboard and Spice the #1 on the billboard, you have to go through the right poll and so forth. Everything have to generate. So the man them now say, alright, but we slide her in on the billboard for a minute, but here we go on. In order to keep her on the billboard, you have to spend this much money. And if you spend this much money on the billboard and so forth, you are going. Then we can go to John Brown and say, John Brown, this is how we are doing it. I will go to Mark and say, Mark, and this is how we are doing it. As much as Ramesh has spent money, Ramesh don't want to spend the money. So since you start, I get all upset and all feel all certain way, say, yo, John Brown style, you know, so we can't compete with Spice because they kind of hard and all that. So you are going. One time, Ramesh try to create now the animosity between Sensia and Spice and so forth, right? Sensia don't really want for this Spice, you know. But here the thing now, Ramesh knows that Sensia a bad mind. And here the thing in our business now. You see, when I have a young artist I work with, it is hard to have a young artist I work with, and the artist is the woman, you're the woman asleep at the same time. It is very hard to sleep with the artist. It is a conflict of interest, that's something I call it. Bad for business. Let's reuse the word. I mean, you want to use big word, I don't know. And I can them word too big, and you don't know, so you should go street side college. But you are going to know. It is not good for you. Alright, name this, learn this. Most of the artists them, I not call a name. Most of the artists them, with them man in the music industry, them are artists. The woman artists are them are the producer or management. When you notice that all of them career come to a standstill because guess what happened? There's no way Ramesh I go on Sensia for go over this if you go work with John one time you know so yo she go work with John and John have much I'll give a pussy over there so you are going now work you know. So you are going to know. Spice I know. When Spice find the man now, cause you see Spice man or Spice man there with you see Spice man was Spice there with the boy having money. The boy big, the boy have him link. See? So through the boy big and having link and so forth now. Him and Spice have a relationship, a real relationship, you know. Right? And the man they want about Spice have a career before she meet the man. See? But here we go on now. You see Spice I know. Spice are my artist. I know every song with Spice though. I like. It's not every song. But they are Europe with Spice, they are Europe. Me perform a Belgium and Spice, they are perform and so forth. Seeing? And Spice come with a dance and whatever. But you think now.
Alright, so we hear Dr. Love views on that, right? Yeah, and a good little thing Dr. Love talks say. But we are going to move on a little bit from that because not only did Spice address the whole Shensia thing, Spice even went a little bit further in the live where she do, you know, and she talked about her ex-dancer them, Rebel and TC. And you know, Spice still I wish them the best same way. You understand? This is what Spice did have to say about Rebel and TC. Right, yes. So.
I have nothing but love for them girl, and if me never love them, them couldn't hurt me. If me never love them, me and them could have still attack right now because it's just certain things that never sit well with me or what me never expect. TC especially, she everything she call me. Gracie, Gracie. Me say the girl come like ambulance. Make nice and me ears man, everything. Gracie, Gracie. And then she go open her mouth and say, Gracie, me know you hate me. Me TC? Me? Me will show you so much love. But at the end of the day, I just want to say, like me say, wish them all the best and maybe I hope and pray before me close my eyes, say Rebel especially. You know? Cause a girl, she can't. I want him with her, she can tell her the truth. So you never know, maybe before I close my eyes, then will come see whatever mistake they make or how it go. But alright, so when you don't see me come back on live, nobody come ask me nothing.
Well, alright, unstoppable family, me feel like this has been long enough and a time for me done it right now. But before me leave, more wanna talk to me down below in the comment section. What know if it's about what Dr. Love say pertaining to this whole thing? Wanna really feel like them a buy views for true or them a get it real? Talk to me down below in the comment section. See? Also, I want to talk to me, I want to think about this whole thing. Because, you see, Spice is an artist where do her thing. Spice has been in the business for several years now and she is a hard-working entertainer. Not saying that the others now work hard, you know. But Spice has been going hard. We see where Spice has come from and we see where she reached. Does she really deserve the fight where she get? Talk to me down below in the comment section. Make me know your views on this one. See? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, what you wait upon? Hit the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable.